I think it's worth noting in this question that each of these statements implies the other. If we know that 5% of y is 60, then we should be able to infer that y is 80% of 1500. We know the statements are not allowed to lie, right? They're always telling us the truth. So if I did the math, I would surely find that statement 1 implies statement 2, and vice versa, right? If we know that y is 80% of 1500, we should be able to infer that 5% of y is 60. So this actually means that we can eliminate answer choices A, B, and C without even reading the question. I go into why that is in section 2 of my book, which you can actually read for free on quantreasoning.com. Now, this question is asking what's 10% of y, but I'm thinking, well, if I know the value of y, then I would be able to figure out what's 10% of y. And each of the statements on its own would allow us to find the value of y if we wanted to, because each of the statements just gives us an equation with a single unknown, just y. So with each of these statements, we should be able to solve for y. We don't actually have to go through with the work and do that. We can just say one could find the value of y if one wanted to, and therefore each of the statements is sufficient on its own, and the answer is D. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.